Minister in charge Public Health Engineering PHE Rediton Lingdot Tongkhar has informed that the number of targeted households under the Jal Jeevan Mission JJM in Meghalaya has increased from 5.89 households to 6.30 lakh households, and so far there are over 1,400 villages which have achieved 100% completion. Tongkhar, who on Wednesday reviewed the implementation of the Jal Jeevan Mission in Meghalaya, said 1,600 crore rupees has already been spent for the implementation of the Jal Jeevan Mission in the state. Speaking to reporters, the minister informed that based on the state government's request, the ministry concerned has allowed the Jal Jeevan to be extended to 9 census towns in the state, and due to this, the number of households have increased to 6.30 lakhs. When asked about the present Jal Jeevan Mission implementation in the state, Tongkhar said that the target to complete the mission is December this year, but as of today, the state has just crossed 40%.
5,89,888 members of household, and yes, we are happy to tell you that now it has been increased. More than 6,30,000 members of household has been earmarked, and we are going to sanction to more than 6,30,000 members of household.